Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 18th March 2021. Okay, so this video is for 18th and also for 19th. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with the analysis for tomorrow. Okay, so let's analyze the chart, or let's start the analysis. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So you can see that right now the current market price is 0.9693. Okay, market is trading here. Let me zoom out the chart, okay, so that you all can see better. And you can see that I have written the resistance, first resistance, second resistance, and the first support. Okay, let me draw the lines here, okay, before we proceed, so that you can understand better. So this is the R2, and let me mark the support. Okay, so this is the support, and here is my pencil. Okay, so right now market is trading here. We can see that market is just trading below the 50 moving average, and you can see that I have written sorry, extremely sorry about drawing. You can see that I have written here 50 MA as the resistance one, and market right now seems the market is getting resistance from the 50 MA. And the good news is that, okay, uh, market is in overbought zone. So in case market gets or gives you a clear price rejection from below, okay, you need to wait for the signal, okay, because the previous candle you can see that, okay, let me zoom in, okay. You can see that the previous candle there was a price rejection from below, okay. Therefore, okay, we need to have some confirmation before shorting the market. Okay, though market is an uptrend still, okay, right now we are getting the price rejection. Okay, let's wait for some time and let's confirm whether market will go down or not. In case you get to see a good price rejection from below and or a big red candle here, then we can short the market for a target of this 9609. Okay, we can easily go for this target. And in case market goes up a little bit, okay, then market will face resistance again at 9712 level. Okay, so if you see that, okay, market has crossed the 50 moving average, but it is getting price rejection, or price is struggling near this level, okay, this R2 level. And if you see that price is getting rejection from above, price is being rejected, then you can short the market here. Hopefully hopefully we'll get a good opportunity here to short the market. Okay, it seems that market will go down, because you can see that overall the trend of the market is not towards the upside, towards the downside. Okay, therefore according according to the most common theory of market, we should be with the trend. So to be with the trend, we need to short the market in a downtrend market. It's not it. So we need to only look for shorting opportunity, but and the shorting opportunity is about to arise here, it seems. Okay, so if market gives you a clear price rejection, okay, or a big red candle, you can short the market here, okay, here or at the R2 level, okay, and this will be your target. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So this is the simple strategy that you can follow for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 18th March 2021. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis for 19th March. Okay, I'm extremely sorry I could not bring videos yesterday because I had some urgent personal work. Okay, I actually, my personal routine is very busy. That's why I do not get time to edit these videos. I just upload, I just record the videos and upload it. I'm extremely sorry I could not bring videos. Anyways, thank you so much. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much.